Clearwater's sunny, humid climate provides the perfect backdrop for beautiful homes and energy-efficient living. However, older windows in many homes may not meet the demands of modern environmental standards. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows not only enhances the comfort and aesthetics of your home but also significantly reduces your environmental footprint. Here's a closer look at the environmental benefits of energy-efficient windows and why Clearwater homeowners should consider this impactful upgrade. Reduced energy consumption. One of the primary advantages of energy-efficient windows is their ability to minimize energy use by improving your home's insulation. Older, single-pane or poorly sealed windows often allow heat to transfer in and out of your home, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. Energy-efficient windows feature low E coatings. These coatings reflect heat away from your home in the summer and retain warmth during cooler months, reducing energy loss. Double or triple panes. Insulated glass units with multiple panes trap air or gas, such as argon, between layers, providing excellent thermal insulation. Tight seals. High-quality seals prevent air leaks, maintaining consistent indoor temperatures. In Clearwater, where air conditioning is essential for much of the year, these features dramatically lower energy usage, reducing your reliance on fossil fuels and cutting greenhouse gas emissions. Lower carbon footprint. Every kilowatt-hour of electricity saved by your energy-efficient windows means less carbon dioxide released into the atmosphere. Clearwater residents, who rely heavily on air conditioning during hot and humid summers, can make a meaningful impact by upgrading their windows. Key environmental benefits include fewer emissions. Energy-efficient windows reduce the amount of energy required to cool or heat your home, directly lowering your carbon footprint. Support for renewable energy. By reducing your energy demand, you help ease the strain on the grid, encouraging a transition toward more sustainable energy sources. Longevity of resources. Using less energy helps conserve natural resources, ensuring a cleaner environment for future generations. Choosing energy-efficient windows aligns with Clearwater's efforts to promote sustainability and protect the planet. Decreased landfill waste. Upgrading your windows with an eco-conscious mindset contributes to reducing landfill waste in two significant ways: durability and longevity. Modern energy-efficient windows are designed to last longer than traditional windows, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Recycling opportunities. Many energy-efficient window materials, such as aluminum and glass, are recyclable. When you replace old windows, responsible disposal ensures materials are repurposed rather than ending up in landfills. Partnering with a window installer committed to sustainability ensures that your old windows are recycled or disposed of responsibly, minimizing environmental harm. Improved indoor air quality. Clearwater's humid climate makes airtight, well-insulated windows an essential feature for maintaining good indoor air quality. Drafty windows can allow outdoor pollutants, allergens, and humidity to enter your home, contributing to poor air quality and increased energy consumption. Energy-efficient windows help control humidity. Properly sealed windows reduce indoor humidity levels, which can prevent mold growth and improve air quality. Limit pollutants. High-performance windows block outdoor dust, pollen, and pollutants from entering your home. Enhance ventilation. Certain designs, like casement or awning windows, offer superior ventilation while maintaining energy efficiency. By improving your home's indoor environment, these windows create healthier living spaces while reducing the need for additional air purifiers or dehumidifiers. Contribution to sustainable building practices. Energy-efficient windows are a cornerstone of sustainable building practices. For Clearwater homeowners, installing these windows contributes to creating a more environmentally friendly and resilient community. LEED certification. Energy-efficient windows play a role in achieving leadership in energy and environmental design, LEED certification for homes, signaling commitment to green building standards. Resilience to climate change. Well-insulated windows reduce energy demand and help homes withstand extreme weather, a growing concern in Florida's climate. Market appeal. Sustainable upgrades like energy-efficient windows increase property value and appeal to environmentally conscious buyers. Making sustainable improvements to your home benefits both the environment and the local community. Water conservation through reduced power plant usage. Energy-efficient windows indirectly support water conservation. Power plants require significant amounts of water for cooling processes, and reducing energy demand lowers the amount of water used for electricity generation. Less energy consumption. By reducing your home's reliance on cooling systems, you contribute to decreased water usage at power plants. Sustainable resource management. This impact is particularly meaningful in areas where water conservation is critical to long-term environmental health. Clearwater residents can take pride in knowing their choice to upgrade windows benefits both land and water resources. Enhanced comfort with lower environmental impact. Energy-efficient windows make your home more comfortable year-round while lessening your environmental footprint. Consistent indoor temperatures. Improved insulation prevents hot and cold spots in your home. UV protection. Low-E coatings reduce UV rays, protecting your furniture and flooring from fading and reducing the need for replacements. Noise reduction. Multi-pane windows also provide better soundproofing, enhancing your living environment. These benefits combine to create a sustainable, comfortable, and enjoyable home. Conclusion. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows in Clearwater is an investment that benefits your home, your wallet, and the planet. By reducing energy consumption, lowering your carbon footprint, and supporting sustainable practices, these windows play a vital role in protecting the environment while enhancing your quality of life. If you're ready to make a positive impact, consult with a trusted window professional in Clearwater to explore energy-efficient options. Together, you can create a home that's as environmentally friendly as it is beautiful and comfortable.